What is up, Keller Williams agents? It is me, Sam Jackson, the Director of Innovation Technology for the amazing Georgia Legacy Group. And today I am here to walk you through your guide to getting access to MegaCamp 2020. So I'm going to walk you through this process of getting logged in. And here's the thing, this is live right now. So do not wait until Tuesday morning to kick off MegaCamp. You can go ahead and log in and get registered today. I'm going to walk you through this process, and I'm doing this for the first time. I'm going to show you what it's like. So let's jump right in. So the website that you need to access for MegaCamp 2020 is megacamp2020.com. So megacamp2020.com. And this will take you right to the Meeting Play portal that you'll need to log into. So it's going to have you first log in. And the best way to get this login information is it's your Keller Williams email address, the one that you had signed up with. And then also you should have a reference number in your email when you first signed up for MegaCamp. So if you need help with that, just go to your email account and go ahead and search, because this email came through with the title of confirmation for MegaCamp 2020. You can just go ahead and search for that within your Gmail account. But for me, this went to my sam.jackson email, and here is my reference number. I'm going to log in before all of you so you can't hack me. But this is how you can get access. Look for your email within your own. And go ahead and type that in. So this will be the email that you had registered with. And then my reference number. You have to agree to the terms. Have to agree to the privacy policy. And yes, here's the trick. You must open up the privacy policy, scroll through this bad boy, and I would suggest you read it. I'm not going to. I would suggest you read it. Again, I'm not going to. And then once you've scrolled all the way down to the bottom, you can go ahead and click this I have read and understand the privacy policy. Click login, and then you should be rocking and rolling to the next screen. And I'm going to go ahead and save this. I'm using Google Chrome, so it's saving my passwords. And here's the thing. I know not everyone uses Google Chrome. Based from what I've heard from some of the different tech groups inside of KW, you will have the best experience on Google Chrome. There are going to be instances in which things will break if you're using Internet Explorer. If you are using Firefox, you may have some issues. Safari, you'll have some issues as well. Use Google Chrome for MegaCamp. You will have the best experience. Now, I just went ahead and logged in. I went ahead and accepted all the notifications. I would like to get notified throughout next week. It's only 3 days. I'm not going to get pestered by KW, well beyond these push notifications. But for at least next week, I want to have those. And we're going to have it just set up my profile. It's going to come in here and just choose a profile picture. And hopefully I can find one on my computer. But I'm going to go through and just go to my computer here and find my headshot. Which, who knows where that's at. Hopefully you guys know where yours is. And that's an old one. Oh, there we go. Here's a good one. All right. Got my headshot. Going to load that in. And move it down so you don't see my belly. Good to go. Rotate left, right if you need to. But once you're done with that, click choose. Oops. Once you go with that, we're going to hit save at the bottom. Title. Feel free to put what you need in here. But title, Director of Innovation Tech. Company, Georgia Legacy Group. Time zone. This is going to be important to select because this will reflect your calendar. Just putting your contact information in. Perfect. Leadership. Change it out for technology. Specialization. I do not currently belong to any specialties, so I can leave that blank. But if you were a member of like KWYP, for luxury, for KW Farm and Ranch, or lots of land, I forget which one we call that one, KW Commercial, you put this in as your specialization. Your group huddle number, you cannot change this. Just a little heads up. So every single day we are going to be having and I won't say every day, but we're having group huddles in the morning and in the afternoons to kind of bookend MegaCamp rather. Sorry, I got command on the brain. So you're going to have these specific groups that you will belong to. It's a 20-minute mastermind that you're just going to get together, get ready for the day, and then recap the day as well. I believe there are several hundred of these, but they're kind of small groups that you can get connected with other folks, just like you normally would at a MegaCamp feature. And then bio, you can go ahead and copy and paste this in here. I'm going to go to KW Connect for mine real quick because I know it lives there. But just set up my profile. It's super easy. Just kind of rocking and rolling through the information. I'm going to put all that in. Just going to grab my bio. I can see that I need to update that a little bit, but let's go ahead and paste that in here for now. Cool. And then I'm going to go ahead and click Save and Continue. So now my profile is done. And now it's going to ask me, what kind of notifications would I like. So I'm going to allow notifications. I can make my profile public. I want to connect with other people at MegaCamp. I'm going to display my email address, notify me for activity on my posts. So I guess if you're posting anything, you can get notifications that people are commenting or liking it, upvoting it. And I'm sure how that's going to work quite yet. Notify me of individual and group chat messages. Allow users to video chat with me. I'm totally fine with that. Allow users to send me messages and receive follow-up with my booth visits. So I guess if you're going to interact with exhibitors, you're giving permission for them to market to you, which is totally fine with me. Cool, and then I'm going to hit Save and Continue. Simple as that. All right. Now the next thing here, and again, this is pretty simple. This is, again, my first time logging in, so you're going to experience the same thing. It's going to ask you, MegaCamp 2020 wants to access your microphone and use your camera. Now, you can block this. You do not have to participate with video and microphone. I expect to engage with other folks within MegaCamp. I want to use this like I normally would with MegaCamp in a physical world. I'm just going to adapt my behaviors virtually. So I want to be able to use my microphone, my camera. I'm going to click Allow, and then I've successfully gained access. It's going to test, which ones. MacBook Pro and my FaceTime camera. I can switch my microphone to this bad boy right here. And going to scroll down and click my video, and audio looks good. So again, just going to accept that. Last thing here is set up your network. So fill out the form below to be matched with like-minded attendees all over the world. So what we're doing here is that we already have, I think, close to 50, or not close to 50. We have over 20,000 people, at least today, as I'm recording this on Thursday, registered for MegaCamp. We're going to see probably a lot more added to it between now and Tuesday. The goal here is that we want to create this mastermind-like experience and connect with people who are like you. So this is just kind of like the quick questionnaire to connect you with the right small groups. So how long have you been in the real estate industry? Can't believe it, man. I'm sure all of you feel that way too. The time flies. What is your role? And this is the fun part for the tech people. I am market center leadership. All right. What is your average production level? Units. This is not applicable for me. What is your main lead generation source? Put this in as well. What is your primary CRM? I hope all of you, if you are registrants or subscribers to In Command with Sam, it is Command, but if not, it's totally cool too. Just go ahead and answer what you have there. I'm going to generate my network. Right on. So these are people like me, just rocking and rolling. So I guess I can start viewing profiles and contacting people, start building my network as we go through. I'm not sure. I don't know that any of these people, but what I can do is just go ahead and skip through this for now. I'm going to rebuild my network if I wanted to clear that out and re-answer those questions. Whoops. But yeah, I think from here I'm probably good to go. Now the key thing, now that you're done kind of officially registering, let me move my face out of the way. Here are a couple things that you're going to want to do ahead of MegaCamp. So we have things like the home button, we have my profile, full agenda. We probably, one of the first things you want to do before we get to Tuesday is look at the full agenda. Go ahead and open this up, and this is active now. Scroll through here by the days, and if you start favoriting these exhibits or these events, like the live exhibit, hall, demo presentation, this should show up now underneath my agenda. So if you're on the full agenda, taking a look at what you want to do and plan ahead in advance, what it is you want to attend, if you favorite these, they will now show up on your agenda. So come Tuesday, whenever I'm ready to kick off MegaCamp and I'm ready to rock and roll, all I have to do is access megacamp2020.com, log in, and then go to my agenda, and then these links will be live that day. So come Monday, whenever I'm ready to go to the exhibit hall, I can click on this description. I'll have the links to get there. Nothing is open at the moment, but when it is open, I'll be able to kind of move forward through it. But go ahead and play around. I don't want to create this video too long. I want you to definitely come in here and explore, set up your profile, start planning out your full agenda. Remember, do this inside of Google Chrome. You're going to have the best experience. And definitely go through and take a look at your notes, your event survey, some other things you can do here. There are tech demos, exhibitor halls, the marketplace. We're trying to create this just like MegaCamp, but virtually. So you will have the ability to visit the exhibitors in the marketplace, which I'm looking forward to, as well as there's a cool shop in here as well, so that you can still go to all of your favorite shops and get the KW swag that you would normally purchase, like this sweet t-shirt that's super comfortable that you got for registering for MegaCamp if you bought that 3 t-shirt pack from the gate. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. Feel free to access this video as you need to. The key things to remember: go to your email address or go to your email account and access that confirmation email. That reference number is what you will need to log in. From here, just follow the prompts and it should get you through to MegaCamp. Do a little bit of planning ahead of time, go to the full agenda, and then start preparing your agenda. So come Monday or Tuesday when you're ready to log into MegaCamp, you're good to go. Looking forward to connecting with you. If you guys see me inside an exhibit at or a breakout inside of MegaCamp, feel free to reach out and say hi. If you have any questions, as always, open up your Kelly app and ask Find Sam Jackson. I'd be happy to connect with you. If you're new to watching these videos, feel free to like and subscribe, and it would be great to connect with you again at MegaCamp. See y'all.